Hello. I just ended the last episode not even 5 seconds ago. So let's just we're doing a collectathon. You know, we're just gonna go around and we're gonna collect stuff and it's gonna be really relaxing. I'm gonna relax, we're gonna have some fun. And you know, it's just gonna be a jolly good time, you know? Just gonna be loads of good family friendly fun. There's not gonna be any cursing, screaming sessions. My disappointment is immeasurable.
Recent leaks of confidential emails has had unexpected consequences for HMP Studios. Contents of the documents expose an ongoing contentious...
Oop. I ended that. Oopsie.
Galilee, the company responsible for the expensive high-tech car featured in the studio's latest blockbuster, Cyber Driver. The emails revealed that a studio executive referred to the car as a useless lemon and threatened legal action against the space company. There was good news for HMP Studios, however. Following the hack, interest around the movie spiked, making Cyber Driver the surprise hit of the year. Police say that the studio has yet to press charges against the hacker group. We'll keep you posted.
Bano. I was doing so good. And then I crashed, like I always do. I did not mean to do that. Money bag, money bag, money bag. I like money. You like money.
Marcus, have you looked at our follower count lately?
We're making waves.
We've got to make people see Bloom for what it is, Marcus. The longer it takes, the more they rely on CTOS. They'll get used to things the way they are, and then DedSec becomes a conspiracy theory fringe. It won't matter if what we're saying is true if people don't want it to be.
Yeah, but this is just the start. When we show them the shit that's brewing behind Bloom's doors, they'll join us in droves.
You got some money for me? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Oh, yes, you do. I love it when you've got money for me. $20 is $20 if you know what I'm saying. I made it funny. I make funnies. That's what we do around here. We make funnies. Please laugh. Please. Please. Thank you. Oh, no need to applause. No need to applause. No. Keep going. Keep clapping. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thanks. This is a life. Explosion. So how's your day going? Doing good? Good. Well, I don't know why I'm talking like this, but I'm just gonna roll with it, you know? I'm just gonna roll with it, because, you know, that's just how we do. That's just how we do up here, Holmes. Quinge. Oh, I just killed that man. That man is dead. Womp womp. This is where that guy was. This is where that fecking guy was. I could have... whatever. It's done. Ooh, what's in here? A new car? And nothing else. Awesome. Oh. I forgot that I don't have the car lock perk yet. Okay, bro. was a great interaction. That's just about what I want to do every time I have a social interaction with anyone. Can you go away, bro? No, that's it. That's it. You touched my car, man. You touched my car. I can't be having that. You know, I just can't be having that. Look at that. Look at that big ass scratch you put on me. I'm just gonna have to kill you now. I hope you're happy, man. Because I'm not. I didn't want to kill you, bro. I didn't want to kill you. That's gonna be on my self-made criminal record. I don't want to have to do that, man. You made me do that. Oh, that's the wrong button. You made me do that, bro. That's on you. That's on you, man. That's on you. Don't blame me. That's on you. For feck's sake. Well, this one's a bust. Time for the next one. Some of these are going to be a bust without certain upgrades, and I almost left my car behind. I killed a man for this car. I will never leave it behind. This car is my baby. This, Cadillac... What was it? What is it called? Cadillac Escalade? I think that's what it's called. Not entirely sure.
Holy shit!
I'm a very nice man. On the inside, of course. On the outside, I'm a total psychopath. Just the way I like it. Song Sneak. A new song. I love new songs. Song not found. Screw you. Oh, there are people there. I didn't even see you. I didn't even see you, fellers. I didn't even see you. Oh, thanks for the money. Oh, thanks for the charge. Oh, thanks for the punch in the face. And you know, that's what you get for existing. You just get a nice punch in the face from Stan. Because, you know, nobody exists in my world. I could have just climbed. Oh, I thought I killed that woman. I thought I became a murderer for the 6th time today. 3rd? 4th? 157th? Yeah, that sounds about right. Those are guards. Give your money, please. Change for the homeless. Thank you. Nice men, them. Yummy. So yummy. Real. Yum. What? Yum amplified. What is this text message? What is this guy doing with his life? Oh, okay, let's just call.
Friggin' eyesores in this city. Billboards everywhere. I remember when billboards were only put up by the highway. It was like TV, something to catch your interest on a boring drive. Now it's just sensory overload. Everywhere you go, someone's trying to sell you something.
True that. Oh. I thought I was gonna put on like an area or something. Oh, whatever. I'm just gonna spray and pray these guys. Tase, hide. They didn't notice. Tase, hide. They didn't notice. Tase. That worked. That actually worked. Oh, okay. You see, I'm a stealth ninja, James Bond. James Bond, John Wick, what are other stealth people? James Bond, John Wick, James Bond, John Wick, James Bond, James Bond, John Wick, Bond Wick, James Wick, John Bond, John Wick Bond, James Jimmy Beast, Greg Opolopoli, Bob, Greglung, James Bond, John Wick, Agent 47, Agent 47, Agent 47, Agent 47, John Wick, James Bond, and Agent 47. And that's it. I'm done. Oh god, this bit's gone on way too long. Oh, hello, sir. What's up? What's poppin', bro? How you doing?
Hey, I know you see me. Hey, how you doing, man?
Oh, I turned around. Oops.
Hey!
Oh, hi.
Yeah!
Hello.
Hey, what's up, my friend?
Boom! You opened the curtains on me.
What are we doing? You see, this is what I like about this. You just this stuff just happens. Oh, I love this.
Bam!
This is the best thing to happen all day.
All right.
Oh man. Nice.
The rest of humanity look bad.
Yeah, there you go. Get nice and in there. Let me get a smile.
And spin!
Nice. Good to meet you, my man.
Yo, what's happening?
Well, it was nice to meet you, friend.
Rule doesn't owe you anything.
Shout out to Alex here. Epic.
Ouch!
This man is a legend. See you around, man.
Fuck you!
Oh, he's coming with me, I guess. I'm going on a money collecting spree, so I hope you're good with that, my man. Let's go. Oh. Guess we got a partner in crime here. We got a friend man. That was lovely. That was good. There's a wall there. There's a wall there. This is the start of a beautiful, beautiful time. Alright, Alex. Where to next? Where to next? Where to next? Wow, you are murderous, aren't you, Alex? Oh shit. I wasn't paying attention to the road. I'm gonna stop now, but I'm actually not going to. I just killed that man, woman. I killed that man, woman. Yeah, that's what I like to see. Oh, wait, reply. How do I reply? How do I reply? I don't know how to reply. I don't know how to reply. He's got the paintball gun. What is he shooting at? What is this man doing? Oh, I'm getting shot through a wall. I'm dying. Get in the car, man. Get in the car. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's get the hell out of here. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is a terrible car for a police chase. Oh no. Oh no.
Any units grab a visual. He's ducked out of sight.
All units, suspect is still in the vicinity. Let's find him.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
He's gone. Heading back to the station. Squad, we have a visual on target again. Pursuing. Suspect back in view. We're on him. Squad, the suspect's gone. We're not giving up yet.
I drove past. They didn't see me. They drove past. They didn't see me. They didn't see me. They drove past. What am I? Absolute nonsense coming, spewing from my mouth hole. Oh shit.
Squad, we need more units out here. Over.
Dodge and weave while he attacks. Wait a minute, I was just here. Oh my god, I went in a big circle. I went in a big fucking circle, and I screwed up. Oh shit. go. We gotta get out. Oh my god, I crashed into a tree. That was embarrassing.
You can't hide from us forever.
Go. Go, 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 go. Crash your yoga party, feckers.
We're heading back to the station.
Oh, we're clear. We're clear. What is this? What did I just find here? I don't like this road. This road is mean. And look at this, my baby survives. But you know, I think it's time to exchange my baby for something a little more beastly. So let's find us a ripe, good old ride. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, hot damn shit. Come on, where are all the cars at? Where are my cars at? Oh, commit homicide again. Time to kill. Oh no, don't kill the dog. I missed the dog. Okay, 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 I missed the dog. I missed it. I missed it. You can't go yelling at me in the comment section. Okay? Murder, murder, murder. I'm not a psychopath, I swear. I swear it, okay? I am not a psychopath. I'm a totally... Don't hit the dog. I'm a totally normal person. This is a good way to release pent-up anger, guys. Oh, shit. You know, to allow my baby car to survive and not explode, I'm gonna be switching to this brown Dodge Charger here.
Should I be running?
There we go. No, you drive, bro. You drive. You drive. You drive. Okay, I guess I'm driving. Fine. Awaiting reply. Kill some folks. Kill some folks. Let's fucking kill some folks. No, your average day in Detroit, Illinois, or Detroit, Michigan, not Illinois. I don't know why I said Illinois. I'm stupid. I'm dumb. Oh yeah, now we go. Now we go. Now we go. That's a word. That's a sentence that is properly grammarized. And that is also a word in a sentence that is properly... I'm gonna stop talking now. I know, it's a miracle. It's a miracle. He finally saved your eardrums. Don't hit the dog. Do not hit that dog. Why are there so many dogs in the streets of freaking San Francisco? You're dead. You are... Nope. You are not dead. It's just a normal day, guys. You know, this is just how it goes here in Detroit. Right here, bro. Come and fucking get me. Come on. This is fun. Way better than Collect-a-thon. I blew that too early. I don't know what I'm doing, man. This is supposed to be a money-making episode, but I'm just here messing around with old Alex.
Squad, we've lost the suspect. Keep searching. We need to find this guy.
This car's in the ground. Oh, never mind, we're good. You good, bro? Alright, he's good.
Dispatch to squad. Be alarmed. Possible hostiles near your location. Be advised, we have reports of a violent criminal near your location. Over. Close the bastard off.
Oh god. Oh shit. That guy got destroyed.
Covering our sector. We'll find him. Be advised, units are operating the suspect's location. Enemy checks south of our position. Close the bastard off. Squad, we're back on the suspect. It's no good. We have to find a better position. Suspect has gone off the road. Whatever it takes to stop it, squad. BH2. Track him down, suspect. Over.
What you gonna do? Isn't this relaxing, guys? This is so relaxing. I'm gonna fall asleep. It's so relaxing.
Yes, squad. Stand by. We're swinging back around. Squad, suspect is back in view. Air support in pursuit. Squad, we're gonna circle back and see if we can pick
Chicken. Oh, he turned first. He's chicken. He's chicken, guys.
BH2 squad. We lost our target. Over.
Oh, now I'm the chicken.
Suspect out of sight. We'll do another pass. Squad, we're back in pursuit. We've got shots fired. Checking it out. Yeah, squad, stand by. We're swinging back around. We're tracking the suspect again. We're almost on top of him.
Fuck you, bro.
New shooter!
Let's try not to die. Oh. No, I died. Alex, no. No, he's gone. Well, look at that, there's my car. I spawned right next to my car. Let's just wait till these cops leave so I can hijack it. Hey, can you guys, like, go, please? Alex! Oh.
Hey, what's up?
No.
Hey!
Squad, be advised that we have reports of a violent criminal near your location.
Oh shit. Oh, that was hilarious. That was awesome. Oh my god, he's in the gunfight. No, Alex! No! I will avenge you. Oh, I died. Oh, this is good fun. This is good fun. This was supposed to be a collectathon, but it just turned into good fun.
What the hell? That's wow.
I don't think he can't get on this.
Fuck you! Okay, just calm down, alright?
Okay.
Hey, just breathe, okay? Hey, you and me, we're gonna take some nice big breaths. Hey, calm
down, alright?
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
We're buddies. Yeah, we're buddies. Yeah. Get that selfie in.
Hell yeah!
We're good. We good, man.
Hey, what's up?
Everything's nice and good. All right, let's get this. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this dude.
Yes!
Nice. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you, pal.
Bam!
This is wholesome. This is wholesome. But we gotta... Can I say goodbye? Is there a goodbye in here? Pacify, laugh, mock, dance, flirt, greet, cheer, insult. No. Alright, well. I gotta go, buddy. See you around. Shout out to him. Epic. He's just standing there. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, man. Oh, that must have been so sad. That must have been so sad. Oh, he left. Yeah, he was heartbroken.
Look, everybody, The Walking Dead. Somebody.
I broke that man's heart.
Hello? We need an ambulance here.
I broke that man's heart. You know what? No, that's the end of this episode. I keep. Oh. Yeah, I know you've told me this before. No.
Calling the police right away.
Oh, I gotta get away from the cops now. Great.
Stay calm. We have you on CTOS. Police will be there shortly. Copy that. A patrol car is routed to the suspect. Squad, we found the suspect.
No, I have to get away. There has to be a happy ending. I have to get away. Go.
He's driving all over the place.
Yeah, I am. There has to be a happy ending.
Suspect just took out a pedestrian.
No, I didn't. You did. You drove into my thing and activated it. You took him out. I didn't. I just set the trap, bro.
Suspect couldn't have got far. Let's flush him out.
Alright, we're in the clear. We are clear. And I'm immediately in another gunfight. No. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up and fight. Get up and fight. Get up and fight. Happy ending. This is no Red Dead Redemption, guys. I'm getting a happy ending, okay? And not sexually. Oh my fucking god. Fuck.
911, what is your emergency? Hello? I need you to stay on the line.
Let's got the fucking cash and get the hell out of here. Where's my bike? Where's my bike at? There it is. Alright, let's get to the hackerspace and end off this episode. We made a friend today, guys. glad that we did. I'm sorry that I had to leave him. But, you know, that's just the way it goes sometimes. Oh, come on. God damn it. You know, I kind of feel bad for that guy. Whatever. I'm a heartbreaker, man. I'm a heartbreaker. I'm a badass ride to the sunset type of guy. So yeah, that picture of him is definitely got to be the thumbnail. That's for damn sure. Oh shit. I'm gonna name the episode in his honor. His name was Alex, so that's what the episode's gonna be called. Alex. Huh? Exciting carton. A lot more people playing than last time I played the game, which was like a year and a half ago. Get out of my way.
Fucking hit like a pussy bitch.
What do you think of this? You ignoring me?
You know, people in this city are rude as hell, man. You know, sometimes you just gotta give them a good old haymaker. Make sure they know who's boss, you know? It's me. I'm boss. How much money did we make? Not enough. I think I need 100-something thousand for the gun I want. Which is silenced and scoped, which would help me a lot with stealth missions, because I suck at stealth. Oh, 99,900. I'm pretty close. I need like 8,000 more, I think. 7,000? I can't count. I'm stupid. I'm ending this episode here. I mean, it can't get better than this, man. It just can't. Look at that. Look at that, man. That is a thumbnail if I've ever seen one. Alright, I'll see you. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.